Wafer Paper 2-tier wedding cake. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where we have the pleasure of creating a 2-tier wedding cake with a modern wafer paper design. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you are new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips and make your caking journey that little bit easier. Now before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow along with us. For this particular design, you are going to need several pages of wafer paper to cut out circles. We use our whisker circle cutter in the 2-inch size diameter. We like to trim the wafer paper after each row of circle cutouts so that we start again with a straight edge to line up our cutter easily. You should have 4 rows of circle cutouts. To save time, you can cut 2 pages at once. Make sure you line up the edges so that you have full circles. If you do manage to cut off a small amount of the circle perimeter, don't worry, you should still be able to position these strategically and use them in the design. The circle cutouts are stored in the base of our cutter, so turn it upside down and release the cover to remove your wafer circles. Once you have them all cut out, fold each circle in half. Using your paintbrush and some water, paint a thin line of water on the folded edge and stick it to another folded circle. Continue this until you have 6 pieces stuck together. Most of our bundles have 6 pieces in them, however we've also created a few with 2, 3 and 4 circles stuck together to use in the tighter sections of the cake design. To create larger bundles, we simply stick several of the 6-piece bundles together. To stick them onto the cake, start at the base of the cake and work your way upwards. We have used melted fondant to adhere the semicircle bundles onto the cake and just used a small palette knife to put the melted fondant onto our bundles. Take your time and gently press them onto the cake, making sure they are well stuck. Slowly work your way up the cake, including the second tier. As you can see, we've stuck ours on all different angles. We have purchased our wafer paper from Caker's Warehouse, and you can save 10% by using our discount code Enchanted10 at checkout. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new and enjoyed our tutorial. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. See you next time and happy decorating!